Get ready to set it and forget it with the convenience, technology, performance, and flavor of Broil King's Regal Pellet Pro. The cooking chamber provides plenty of space for low and slow Southern cookhouse classics, like fall-off-the-bone ribs, delicious pulled pork, mouth-watering brisket, and tasty rotisserie chicken. Now turn it up for high-heat searing. You get perfect steakhouse results every time. It's the advantage you can always expect from Broil King's Regal Pellet Pro. Specially selected hardwood pellets infuse your food with unmistakable smoky flavor. Uncoil the power cord and plug in your electric-powered, pellet-fueled grill. Easily control the Broil King pellet with the intuitive digital controller display. The large backlit LCD screen shows the target and current cookbox temperatures, as well as the temperature of probe number 1 and probe number 2. There are several elapsed, countdown, or stopwatch timer options available. The appliance-style control knobs allow you to dial in the precise cook temperature and lock it in with a touch. 3 quick-set buttons allow you easy access to the most common grilling temperatures, like smoking at 225 degrees, roasting at 350 degrees, and grilling at a searing 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The entire display is designed to be angled so you can easily see the temperature settings while you're at the grill. Designed to retain heat for even and efficient cooking, the lid and body are made of durable 2mm steel and finished with a quality high-heat black finish. The double-walled lid comes equipped with a heavy-duty stainless steel handle with a soft rubber grip. Get ready for professional-grade, extra-thick stainless steel cooking grids. These solid stainless steel rods are 9mm in diameter. That means exceptional heat retention and searing power to lock in juices and flavor. The stainless steel rod design makes them easy to use and easy to clean. The Regal Pellet Pro comes with an upgraded, durable stainless steel warming rack. The stainless steel rods are designed to run front to back with a raised backstop. This allows a spatula or tongs to easily pick up your food. Inside the cooking chamber, you'll find 5 extra thick, easy to clean heat plates designed to provide even heat front to back and side to side for efficient cooking results. These heat plates also channel drippings towards the drip cup for easy removal and cleanup. Broil King's ash management system allows you to easily clear pellet ash from the burn pot. The locking mechanism that seals the bottom of the burn pot also sifts ash into the ashtray for removal and disposal. The ultra-thick stainless steel burn pot is built to take the heat as your pellet grill sears steaks at a scorching 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The burn pot is fueled by a high-powered auger system, fed from the high-capacity 22-pound pellet hopper. At the base of the hopper, you'll find a pellet release hatch. Use it to change the pellet flavor in your grill, or remove all of the pellets before long periods of storage. Inside the hopper, an infrared fuel sensor continuously monitors your pellet fuel level and will alert the control panel and the Broil King app on your mobile device when the pellets fall below the sensor. The side shelf and hopper lid has ample space for tools, sauces, or spices. Protect the hopper lid from your saucy tools with a Broil King silicone grilling mat. The Regal Pellet Pro lets you sit back, relax, and have a cold beverage with the integrated bottle opener. The durable steel fold-down front shelf gives you additional space for preparing meals. Use it to hold grilling accessories, cutting boards, or serving trays for added convenience when transferring food on and off the grill. You also get 4 tool hooks to keep any grilling necessities close at hand. When not in use, the shelf conveniently folds down by pressing on the latches. Unlike most pellet grills, the Broil King Regal Pellet Pro comes with a premium rotisserie kit right out of the box. Cook succulent rotisserie chickens or any number of barbecue classics while roll basting them in their own juices. Store the rotisserie rod in the back of the grill when not in use. 2 8-inch wheels provide rugged mobility, while the 2 commercial-grade locking casters help secure the grill in place. A sturdy lower shelf provides added strength and ample storage to the cart base. From low and slow to high heat searing. Get ready for amazing results with the convenience, technology, performance, and flavor of Broil King's Regal Pellet Pro. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.